First time in history, yes, this is Mateo Clare Unyo from East, North, West, South. Dito kami, yeah! Ang Kulaw! At syempre medyo maaga po tayo nito, alas 5 pasado pa lang. Yes, of course, andito na yung ibang cousins, titas, lolos, lolas, I think lolas lang. Syempre mga cousin natin sa Rojas, I love you so much. Yan, kikit na kaganda ng mga aking cousins, pamangkin sa Rojas. Isabela, nice meeting you mga tito, tita. Ay, ang mga tropa natin sa Peña Blanca, ang ating tita. Yan, syempre kokonti pa lang dyan, pero maya maya dyan na sila lahat. Yeah, let's go! At syempre, yours truly, mahangin po ba sa labas? Feeling heroes, ay! At syempre, pag may family reunion, syempre, my family but picture but I don't know what it's all about. Hindi ko na alam kung anong ibig sabihin niya. Yan ang, syempre, ang pinakamagandang tita ko na si Tita Lu. Syempre, siya po naggawa nitong ating reunion. Ang mga pagkain, foods everywhere, every drinks. Sarap-sarap niyan, guys. Yan na ating papakin mga yan. May mga pika-pika, dessert. Siyempre, hindi pwede mawala ng mga desserts. Yan, kung gusto mo na at hindi ka pa satisfied, magpika-pika na tayo dyan. Kuha ka lang kung gusto mo, guys. Okay, siyempre, medyo parami ng ating mga kasama rito sa ating family reunion. So, ano pa nga? Ay, halika makipag
salamat din po sa paggabay nyo sa ating mga
boses. Alright. Ano po ang pangalan ni ma'am? Ma'am Siraida. Okay. Nag-adjust na ba kayo? Palabas kayo ng venue ah. Ayan. Ma'am Zenaida. Kahit Ma'am Zenaida, ano? Oo, yung height niya pang going minutes. Yes. Alam mo yung premyo mo. Sharing na yan na tumakanta na ka nagigil ako sa'yo. In fairness, ang ganda ng buhok, diba? Doon is before niya, gulya ng mga science. Kung hindi ko kilala, doon na lang. Pagkitan mo kayo. Nag-ubat. Oo, sasayawin mo ng solo. Ayaw tayo.
So, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat for coming over. I would also take this opportunity to for a moment of silence to remember all our family members that has gone before us. We continue to pray for them. I'm sure they're all looking down on us and they're all happy, smiling faces. Natupad na rin one of my bucket list is for us to be able to get together, magkakilala tayo lahat, from all our families, from the north to the south. Maraming salamat for coming, and hopefully you stay safe when you go back on your travels. And I would also like to have a special mention for the Samonte family for doing all the legwork. I was in the States and tinatawag ko sila, and Jen was so patient, and Ella and all of them were so happy to indulge and help me para ma-organize and plan this reunion. So a special thank you to the Samonte family. Okay, so lastly, tonight is a night for us to be all happy. Iwan lahat ng problema. This is a time to get together. Just enjoy the night. And sana you have to go around, mingle with everybody, get to know each other. And let's have some fun tonight. Mabuhay and long live Mateo family.
At syempre, of course, hindi pwede mawala ang family reunion na wala mga parlor games, mababata, matanda, kasali lahat rito. At syempre, may mga cash prizes sa mga giveaways po ang andito sa aming family reunion. Salamat sa mga punta, guys. Thank you nga pala sa nag-organize ito. At of course, siyempre hindi mawawala ang ating kainan. Kain muna tayo, guys. Mamaya laro na naman.